All right, happy to be. This is week two of me building something, and these are the three lessons that I've learned this week. Pehla, though, I've learned that a lot of people want to be on LinkedIn, right? Even founders want to put out content, but they don't like to put out cringe content. But they know that they have to put out some cringe content so that they can grow, right? And this has been the biggest learning for me this week that everyone wants to grow, everyone wants to put a similar kind of content, sharing their stories, emotional, successful kind of जो भी stories डालनी है तो उनको डालना है, ठीक है, right? This is what I've understood. And that's a demand and supply I've understood as well, right? People want to put a content out there, and although they don't want to do it by themselves, so they want to hire someone and get the things done. Second learning has been that I have been so fast paced in my brain here. ये जन करना है, ये client लाने जल्दी लाने, but in the execution I have been slow. I've chosen to be slow because I want to put out content or I want to build a system around clients that I'm working with and give them results and then replicate that system with other clients. So I don't want to rush serving clients, or I don't want to take up clients just promising, okay, I'll charge you X amount and I'll probably will not, I'm not sure if I'm going to give them results. So I'm thinking that probably I'll just pick up like 2 to 3 clients longer. And obviously I'm working with one. There's another one that I've closed. I'll be starting off in the next month and build a system around them, right? Experiment with them and see how things go and give them results. And then I'll take up more clients. I can give them results, increase my retainer amount, and that's how things are going to be. The third learning has been that I've been so perfect on Insta, right? I've been perfect on thinking how I want my storyline of the content to be, how I want my edit to be, and this perfection is letting me down because मेरा content बहुत कम जा रहा है. And I've always been thinking by seeing other content pieces, यार वो इतना सही edit कर रहे हैं, वो इतना सही followers gain कर रहे हैं, and I honestly have been on the kind of a backside on putting content on Insta, and I've just decided I'll put out A rolls. It has to be A rolls, but content pieces have to go regularly on Insta, right? With every content piece that goes out, I'll have to put in one new addition. Maybe it could be a zoom in, zoom out effect, right? Could be a text behind my body. So it could be anything of that sort. एक होना चाहिए, ठीक है? And that's about it. I want to be consistent, not be perfect, and I think perfection हो जाएगी. And probably 6 to 7 months down the line, when I have more money in the company and probably hire some editor or someone and automate this. I understand I had said this before as well that I'll probably hire an editor, but kind of felt my top line is quite small right now. I don't burn a lot of cash and all, so I'm okay having my time occupied there, so it's all chill. But whenever the client comes in, I try automating that. I don't do it myself. That's a lesson that I know I want to serve it like that. So yeah, these have been my 3 learnings. I know this has been a very bland video for you. There's not much B-rolls or edits or something of that sort, but yeah, I want to be consistent. That's why just putting rough sketch out, whichever is mentally free for me, right? Mentally causing less friction for me. I'm putting that content out right now. And also I write newsletters. If you want to connect with my entrepreneurial journey and sense that tomorrow you would be also the same and feel that I could help you learn something, because I write newsletters every Sunday on what I've done, write the insights from my journey, and then share one lesson that I've learned, maybe through articles that I end up sharing in the summarized format, and I'll link to the newsletter as well. This is something I'm going to do, and this is something I've been doing earlier as well. I've been sharing my learnings in my previous newsletters, and I hope if you feel connected with the same, why not join? The link is in the bio, in the about section. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.